Hey, welcome back to the channel. Didge Mama here in Portugal in my outside living room. Welcome. So I'm back to doing tutorials, and the one thing I don't think I explained is the difference between the jaw drop and the pedal tones. So just is as a technique, it's completely different. It's both about getting the drone lower. So like the the jaw drop would be. So my jaw drops to create a slower movement of my lips. And that's very useful. I use it a lot in my playing. It's really nice to have like this rhythm kind of thing and a drop. So so that's a jaw drop. Now the pedal tones, this technique Will Thoren is always explaining, is your jaw actually moves a bit forward and to support the bottom lip outwards. And so it's a completely different feeling in the mouth. That's, my cheeks stay flat, my jaw goes forward instead of down, and yeah, the bottom lip is still supporting the top lip to go really slow. So that sounds like and plays like. So pedal tones, jaw drop. You need a mouthpiece for it really to work. But yeah, hope it's clear. Have fun. Love and light.